Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. Objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing the Nifty index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 26th August. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So if we see the overall open interest data, you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 16,700 strike, followed by 16,800 call strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest in puts is at 16,600 put strike, followed by 16,500 put strike. So for tomorrow monthly expiry contract, we are likely to trade in between the range of 16,500 to the downside and 16,800 to the upside. And if you were to see what happened intraday, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition in calls happened at 16,700 strike, followed by 16,750 strike. And you will also see in the money call options, they saw their open interest reduce in strikes like 16,400 strike, 16,450, 16,500, 16,550 and 16,600 call strike. So if you would have seen, we made uh, a new high intraday. So based on this open interest data, we can conclude that call option buyers, they book their profit, and call option writers, they book their losses. And if we were to see the puts, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition happened at 16,600 put strike. And after the money puts like 16,250 put and 16,300 put, they saw their open interest reduce, which tells us that put option writers, they book their profit, and put option buyers, they have booked their losses. If we see the monthly expiry option chain data, you will see that the Nifty maximum level has shifted towards 16,550 level. So if market expires tomorrow at 16,550 level, in that scenario, call and put option writers of 16,550 strike are going to be making profit, and call and put option buyers of 16,550 strike, they would be suffering huge losses, as on expiry large percentage of options they expire worthless. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, here you will see on the monthly time frame we are under control of buyers as we are trading above the monthly open. And if we see the weekly time frame, you will see that again this week we are under control of buyers as we are trading above the weekly open at 16,592 levels. And if you see the daily time frame, here you will see that on the daily time frame today we had a conflict among two larger time frames. That is, daily was trading against the direction of weekly and the monthly time frames. Monthly and weekly, they were under control of buyers, while the daily time frame, it was under control of sellers as it closed below the opening price. But in terms of price structure, we have been making higher highs and higher lows. Today we made a new intraday lifetime high on the index. Since tomorrow is an expiry, we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios. One scenario would be that we can potentially form an inside candlestick tomorrow, or second scenario could be that we can breach today's low and make an attempt to trade towards 16,500 levels. So to be precise, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 16,634, we can potentially trade towards 16,738 levels. And if we trade below today's low 16,617, we can potentially trade towards 16,522 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is 16,634 to 16,607, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now we would be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick pattern. So our first stock is Chola Finance. We'll look for buying opportunity above 513.65 levels as it is trading above 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. Our next stock is Dabur. It is trading above again 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 601.9 levels. Our third stock is Cadila Healthcare. It is in a downtrend and it is trading below 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 540.4 levels. And our final stock for tomorrow based on inside candlestick pattern is LX Chemicals. So it formed an inside candle and is trading above 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So here you can see that currently this stock is in an equilibrium. That is, both the buyers and the sellers are balanced, and in inside candles again there is a balance between both the buyers and the sellers. So we look to make a trade if either side of the high low range breaks. So for LX Chemical, the conservative trade would be to look for buying opportunity above 371.95. However, aggressive traders can look for selling opportunity below 360.45 levels, as it would be a counter trend trade. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 16,634 we can trade towards 16,712 levels, 16,738 and potentially 16,770 levels, and below 16,617 we can trade towards 16,591, 16,559 and 16,522 levels potentially. And broadly speaking, we're in a 300 point range on the index, and the max pain level has shifted upwards to 16,550 level. And our stock watch list comprises of LX Chemicals, Cadila Healthcare, Chola Finance and Dabur. And I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.